Bitcoin cash value equivalent to 90,316.58 rands a coin. The present cost range 80,359.95.95.22.80. The earlier day close 18,571.55. The change was plus 745.03 plus 869%. Opposite rate ZAR to BCH. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at 12,271 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,959, while low cost 12,271. The found the middle value of cost 13,370. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 13,980. Change for July 13.9%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for August 2024. Before all else, cost at 13,980 rands. Excessive cost 13,980, while low cost 11,863. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13,045. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 12,756. Change for August 8.8%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 12,756 rands. Excessive cost 14,084, while low cost 12,242. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13,061. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 13,163. Change for September 3.2%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 13,163 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,910, while low cost 13,163. The found the middle value of cost 14,276. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 14,869. Change for October 13%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 14,869 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,869, while low cost 12,263. The found the middle value of cost 13,797. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 13,886. Change for November 11.3%. Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 13,186 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,035, while low cost 12,459. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13,344. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 13,397. Change for December 1.6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 13,397 rands. Excessive cost 16,629, while low cost 13,397. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14,741. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 15,541. Change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash figure for February 2025. Initially cost at 15,541 rands. Excessive cost 17,278, while low cost 15,018. The found the middle value of cost 15,996. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 16,148. Change for February 3.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at 16,148 rands. Excessive cost 16,857, while low cost 14,651. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 15,853. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 15,754. Change for spring 2.4%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 15,754 rands. Excessive cost 15,754, while low cost 13,287. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14,771. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 14,287. Change for April 9.3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 14,287 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,093, while low cost 13,823. The found the middle value of cost 14,719. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 14,863. Change for May 4%. Bitcoin cash estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 14,863 rands. Exorbitant cost 18,448, while low cost 14,863. The found the middle value of cost 16,354. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 17,241. Change for June 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2025. To start with, cost at 17,241 rands. Exorbitant cost 18,1741, while low cost 16,289. Found the middle value of cost 17,447. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 17,5 and 15, change for July 16%. Bitcoin cash gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 17,515 rands. Exorbitant cost 17,515, while low cost 15,34. Found the middle value of cost 16,558. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 16,866, change for August 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 16,166 rands. Exorbitant cost 16,754, while low cost 14,562. Found the middle value of cost 15,785. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 15,658, change for September 1%. Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 15,658 rands. Exorbitant cost 18,551, while low cost 15,658. Found the middle value of cost 16,801. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 17,337, change for October 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 17,337 rands. Excessive cost 17,337, while low cost 13,728. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 15,791. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 14,761, change for November 14.9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2025. To start with, cost at 14,761 rands. Excessive cost 18,322, while low cost 14,761. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 16,242. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 17,123, change for December 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at 17,123 rands. Excessive cost 18,615, while low cost 16,179. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 17,329. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 17,397, change for January 6%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 17,397 rands. Exorbitant cost 18,912, while low cost 16,438. Found the middle value of cost 17,606. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 17,675, change for February 6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for WARC 2026.